When we were in the Pine Barrens, we visited a ghost town. It's called Friendship Village, and it was from what, the 18...
Around the time of the Civil War, around 1860 apparently. Hi, I'm Rick.
And I'm Sharon.
And we are Cargo On.
Cargo Conversion Building Camp. If you want to see some really cool cargo camper conversions, hear from the builders, see some tours, and see some places we've camped and some crazy adventures, then you are definitely on the right channel.
The New Jersey Pine Barrens hold many mysteries and an interesting history. Over 1 million acres of pine barren wilderness, and yet few choose to venture here. This land is rich in stories and history. Today we're visiting one of the ghost towns of the Pine Barrens, Friendship Village. All that remains today are the foundations of some old buildings, the remnants of a small village from over 1.5 centuries ago. In 1868, this small community had 3,000 acres of cranberry farms. Within the village, there was a sorting and packing plant for the cranberries, a store, a one-room schoolhouse, and several homes. It's hard to imagine living out here so long ago, because even today it remains quite remote out here.
If you want to see more of our camping adventures in the Pine Barrens, just click up here. That's a wrap, everyone. You know what to do if you like this video.
You all come back now, you hear?